Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jay. Welcome back to another video. Whoa, I look dark. Wow, I really do look dark. Oh my god, I don't like that at all. Okay, all right you guys, how's everybody doing today? I do want to apologize for doing so many videos on my sister doing makeup, or I'm doing my sister's makeup. Probably thinking in your head like, wow, how many sisters she has? Well, I honestly have only 3 sisters. That's pretty much it, and me, so that's 4 in total. But yeah, all right you guys, so in today's video it will be really short, and I do apologize, but today actually I received my influencer box. If you don't remember, I did a video a while back on an influencer box and telling you guys what you exactly had to do. So I'm gonna do the same thing too. And if you haven't seen my first influencer box unboxing, etc., whatever, I will leave it at the end of the video, so y'all can check it out. So yeah, without further ado, let's continue this video. You guys, so obviously I did my eyebrows off camera and I primed my eyelids. Of course we're going to be doing like a little mini tutorial. I will not be doing anything like, whoa, no, I will not be doing anything like that. It's just some really light makeup, etc., whatever, because I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my influencer box, which they call it a VoxBox. Yeah, that's what they call it, but I call it influencer box. Look, I don't know, for me it's just easier. Alright, so first things, obviously I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I will give a review on this products. I've actually already opened them and I actually already used them on me. I just felt like I would want to wear it first and see how long lasting it is, and you know how good, you know, it is. Simple as that, obviously. But this is the box. This is the full force plumping lip. It's a full color, full lips, full force. This, I actually have 2 products only that I received. So this is the inside of the box, and I got a little thing, whatever you want to call that. So here on these 2 products, I got a lipstick and I got a mascara. This is a, I don't know how to pronounce this, B-U-X-O-M. I do not know how to pronounce it, but I'm gonna show it to you guys. If this, and this is the lip. I think y'all can see it better with the lipstick. Alright, so yeah, so I have a mascara and a lipstick. So my first impression when I first used this, the mascara was extremely really good. It leaves my lashes so long. Like, well, let me tell you, my lashes are like normally long, but you know, when you put this mascara on, it's like, whoa. It's a really good mascara, so highly recommend. And the lipstick looks really creamy. It feels creamy, so I'm gonna open it for you guys and so y'all can see it. Yes, like I said, I have used it, and this is the lipstick, and this is in the color Triple Threat, which is, oh my god, you guys, I love it because it is so creamy, and it's just like, wow. And I like the color. The color's amazing too. It looks well and it smells good too. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys also the mascara. And like I said, yes, I did use the mascara, and I highly do recommend this mascara. This mascara is really good. So this is the mascara. So yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and start this little mini tutorial. So obviously, like I said, I primed my eyelids off camera, so I'm gonna go in with the Beach palette. I actually did use this palette once when I did the Miss A haul video. So If you want to know how to get like all the free stuff from influencer, all you have to do is download the app and give some reviews on some products. And the more reviews you give, the more like you get free products. Obviously, like I said, you get free products. I did not pay for this stuff. I actually had that one box and then this box. I'm giving a review on it and telling you guys if it's good or not, and then I could give my little review on the app, and that's pretty much it. Pretty easy. I like it a lot. And like I said, if you guys haven't seen my first video, I actually got a lot more products. This is an easy way to get free stuff. Like, honestly, all you have to do is give reviews. Make sure you, if you have a Facebook, Instagram, or whatever, make sure you add those on there just so you could get more impact on your profile. But yeah, you guys, that is extremely easy. And who doesn't like free stuff? Free stuff is just like, ooh, give me it. So yeah, so I enjoy doing it. I like doing it. And to get more points, obviously, to get more free stuff, you have to do a review on it. It gives you options. You have to get points and whatever. There's like, sometimes it asks you to do a video, it asks you to write a review, it asks you to share it on Instagram or whatever. It asks for you to do these things just so you know. So this video is not going to be too much. I'm not wearing no lashes because I want you guys to see how well this applies. Alright, so that's good on the eyeshadow. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the mascara. This is how it looks like. Has a nice little curve on that little brush. So we're gonna go ahead and now apply the mascara. I'm gonna get a little closer so you can see. And as you can see, you guys, how long it leaves lashes. I'm usually not a mascara person, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, but I honestly fell in love with this one. I'm more about lashes. I like lashes, I love lashes. I just don't like too much mascara because every time I wipe the mascara off my lashes, it just like, some of my lashes come off, and I really hate that. But hey, it's all good. But yeah, you guys, as you can see, look at those. Look at my lashes. Look at my lashes. They look really good. So yeah, you guys, so I do highly recommend this mascara. This mascara is really good. I know I don't need a lash curler because my lashes are already curled up. So yeah, so this is how it left my lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick foundation and, you know, be right back to continue on with the lips. Alright, you guys, so I'm finished with the face. So now what I'm going to do is grab that mascara again and hit the lower lashes and add a little more to my regular lashes. To my regular lashes, really. To my lashes on top. Alright, so now we're gonna go into blush. We're gonna go in with the Morphe blush, and this is in the color Spirit. Right, for highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild highlight. If I could find it. Everything is just like placed everywhere. It's been just like really crazy, and I don't know where I leave my stuff at. Honestly, I really don't. Well, you know, I do Wet n Wild, so I'm gonna go in with the Babe in Paradise from Morphe. Just let me find my brush. I'm losing everything, literally. Look at this. I have so many brushes. Extremely so many. Alright, so now, last but not least, we're going to go into lips, what we've been waiting for. So, first off, I'm going to go ahead and outline my lips. And I'm going to go in with the Rimmel London Full Color Lip Liner. And this is in the color Addiction. Alright, so now we're going to go into the lipstick. And like I said, this is in the color Triple Threat. Alright, you guys, so okay, so let me get into this detail. Let me first do some setting spray. So I'm gonna go in with the UHD Pro Setting Spray. Alright, you guys, so let's start again. First impressions. Alright. So, like I said, the mascara is extremely amazing. As you can see my lashes. They are extremely long. Okay, so lipstick. This lipstick is like a plumper. It makes your lips like, you know, a little puffier. So this is what this lipstick is. They actually have glosses now that do this. And it's pretty amazing because I have one. I own one. I have the e.l.f. Gloss plumper, and it's super amazing. I love it so much, and it's like really cheap. But you guys, this is a plumper to make your lips a little more puffier, and honestly this is really good. And you adding, like, you know, so in order how I get my lips a little bit bigger, what I do is I add a little bit of lip, and I think Too Faced has this lip injection, lip gloss, or whatever you want to call it, and I put it on. I leave that there until my lips are plump enough, and as soon as then I like pat it down to wipe it off, so I won't smear it all over my face, because it does give that little tingling feeling that it stings. So I just like pat it on there. Do not smear it on your face because it's not a good idea. But that's what I do. And then I go ahead and get a lip liner, a lipstick and a gloss, and that's how I make my lips look a little bigger, so you don't have to do any lip fillers. Overall, this lipstick is bomb. I'm gonna have to buy more of this lipstick in all different types of colors. I love creamy lipsticks. They're extremely amazing. I want to say that I am not a big fan of matte colors, matte lipsticks. Excuse me, matte lipsticks. I just like, it leaves my lips really cracked as soon as it dries all up. I guess what I have to do is put like lip what you call it? Lip primer. There you go. I think that's what I usually do when I wear matte lipstick. I put lip primer, so like it could smoothen it out just a little bit, so when you put it on there, it doesn't, you know, automatically dry up and it cracks your lips. No, so I just use lip primer. But since I don't have any right now, I'm gonna have to like go buy some and not wear any matte lipstick for real. But anyways, overall, I'm a big fan of cream lipstick, and this lipstick is extremely amazing. Like I said, if you do not have influencer, I advise you to get it if you like free stuff. The only thing you have to do is give reviews on a couple of things. Like you see these two products I got, I have to, right now I'm going to give a review on these two products, and I'm gonna continue doing a lot more reviews on other products on there, whatever they have, so I can get another box for free, you guys, for free. So yeah, you guys, I do apologize if this video seems if it is really short. I don't know where I've been at. Work has been crazy. Really crazy, and I've just been like working every day, and I'm come home and I'm really extremely tired. So mostly what I do every day is work, film, gym, edit all day, every day, and it's really exhausting. So I do appreciate you guys for, you know, bearing with me. I do apologize again, but you guys, I'm trying my best. I will do better, I promise. But anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I hope you guys do get influencer, so you know, y'all could get these free products or whatever. It's a really amazing app, you know. Just give reviews, you guys. You're just giving reviews, and I just feel like it's an amazing app to get free things, honestly. But yeah, you guys, if you like this video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up, leave some comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.